Hello everyone. In the following example, we are asked to find feature value, interest, and also we have to calculate the R.O.R. Before we go to answer this question, we have to write down everything we know. So we know that our P value, the principal, is $2,500. So we write it down here. We also have our R value. This is the rate, represent the rate. This is the 5%, and we change it to decimal, and it would be 0.05. And we also have the time. You can see it here. It says for 8 years. So the T equal 8. For the first question, it asks for what will be the feature value. The feature value represented by A. So we have to go and answer part A. First, we have to write down the formula. The formula for feature value is A equal P times 1 plus RT. So our P value is here, $2,500. I write it down here and times with 1 plus our R value is here. I can write it down here times T. T is 8 and that represents the time. So I can use my calculator to find the answer. So the answer would be $3,500. To answer this question, first you have to put this number in your calculator and it gives you 0.4 and then add it to 1 and it would be 1.4, and after that you times it, multiply it with 2,500 and it gives you 3,500. Now we can go and answer part B that asks for the interest. The interest formula is I equal A minus P. So you can see it here. We have our A value. Actually, I prefer to highlight this one. This is the formula for the future value. And this is our formula to find the interest. And now we can say A, that is 3,500, minus our P value is here, $2,500. Oops, $2,500. And you can use your calculator and it gives you 1,000. So now easily you could find the interest he would earn. So now we can move and answer part C that asks to calculate the R.O.R. R.O.R stands for rate of return. So the formula R.O.R is I over T times 100. So I can copy it down here. So we have our I value. You can see it here. This is our I value. It's 1,000. And we also have our P value. You can see it here, 2,500. I put it down here, 2,500, and you can use your calculator and it gives you 40, and so our R.O.R would be 40%. So just to make sure that you know how to do that, first you have to multiply 1,000 to 100 And after you find the answer, you divide it by 2500 and it gives you 40. And that's it. We answer all these three parts. And I hope you found it helpful. And thank you for watching.